It's November 27, and how is your No Shave November going? For me, I think it's going well, I think. There's this thing that we call in the real estate business, in our Filipino Homes company, we call it New Agents Orientation, or NAO or NAO. And it's today. It's where our boss, or our president and CEO, Boss Tonton, we call each other boss. Boss Tonton orient new agents who were invited by current agents. I'm a real estate agent, by the way. And no, not that kind of agent. So we pre-qualify people first, qualify our invites before we take them to the new agents orientation. We do that because there have been cases where agents have become notorious, and instead of remitting part of the commission to the company, it's part of the rules. They don't. I think it was early this year or late last year, where the top agent, one of the prettier agents here in our company, she was kicked out of the company for not remitting commissions, and it was found out she has been doing that for quite some time. It was very heartbreaking, I mean, for me, because I held her to a high esteem, and then she did that. She now has her own company, and it was funny because the name of her company was the name of my first Facebook page, Premier Homes. Anyway, I have at least 2 invites going in our office. I don't know both of them. They just contacted me through my Facebook page when I posted a job opening. I posted a job opening, and several of them applied, and now 2, hopefully they will show up. By the way, it's 9 a.m. It's supposed to start at 9 a.m. and it's 9:03. And I'm still about 20 minutes away. I woke up late. I just uploaded a vlog last night. It was about the Marina Barrage, best location to watch the sunset in Singapore. It was fun. I have arrived. I've parked so far, but I have arrived. Let's go. I'm late. Let's go. The new agents orientation took too long. It took about 3 hours. Boston had fun talking, and when he gets on a roll, there's nothing that can stop him. We had lunch at about 1. I was not able to record because I was busy talking to my new agents, talking to my new recruits, and then talk to them about the good things about real estate, this business, the real estate industry. And then after that, I had to comply one of the requirements for Plumera. I invested in another condo. It's called Plumera in Lapu-Lapu, and one of the requirements was a verified TIN number, or tax identification number. But unfortunately, there were no more slots available for me. They had closed the counters already, and I did not record because government office. But across the Bureau of Internal Revenue is the Meridian. So I went there, took some pictures of the latest inventory as of today, took some pictures of the model unit and the deliverable unit, and then I went to beside it is the home and office furniture store. I went there, I looked at some cabinets, tables, dressers, and I was surprised when I saw a stroller, baby stroller. I also looked for chairs or sofas. Nothing to my taste or to Marge's taste. So The canvassing is still on, and the traffic is killing me. Ugh. Behind me, the sun is shining so bright. See? In front of me, the clouds are dark. Clouds, sun. Clouds, sun. Welcome to the Philippines.